What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Master of Boaters, and this is your boy, Daddy. Anyways, today I got your boy's Zombie Dorks car right behind me. We are gonna put some underglow LEDs. No idea what I'm doing with these, but I'm sure we can make it happen. But for right now, we're just gonna, you see this picture right here? The front part, the green part, this one. Anyways, we're gonna try this front part bumper grill type deal first. If that works out well, then we might tackle the rest. But we are also gonna be wrapping his car. Yes, indeed, we will be wrapping his car. As you know, I've been mentioning this for quite some time, but yet we are busy people, and I also new to the wrapping game. So if it sucks, I'm sorry. Yeah, he's right there. But yeah, let's get this installed and hope we don't start a fire. So here we are. Let's see what comes in the box. We have, does it come with a new iPhone?
No, you gotta download the app.
Oh, that sucks. Let's see. New scan mode choices, multiple colors, all right. And ultimate customized lighting. I don't know if that's grammatically correct, but how should I know? I only went to high school. Let's see what else we got in here. Tape.
Oh, that's right.
Oh, messed it up.
No, that's
I'm trying to be children friendly, so I'm gonna stop my cursing for a little bit. Ah, success. All right, so what we got here? We got some wires, some trash, straight from wherever that came from. Look at that, that's Type S, guy. It's almost like Type R. What else we got in there? Nice, lovely unboxing experience. We got some LEDs, I see it.
yeah, right here.
Oh, a long strand of stuff.
Looks like it's some.
Oh, look, it comes with 3M tape. That's the good stuff right there, guys. 3M, what does that say? VHB, whatever that means. Velcro toning belt, I don't know. Type S, all right, whatever. We got this doohickey that goes somewhere, and it looks like an auxiliary adapter. Some more wires. Does it come with instructions?
I'm hoping. This looks like it's
Oh,
batteries.
that looks like something I know. Batteries. Oh, it comes with a cigarette charger, so if you want to plug it in inside, or if you don't want to hotwire it or hardwire it. 1 free year of additional warranty coverage. Look at that. So it says here, if you just install the app, it should just work. Just kidding. So I'm just going to attempt to read this or whatever, and I'll get back to you. All right, so we're just gonna test this thing out, see if it actually works. So just plug that in right there. Here, there you go. And check the fuse. I think there's a fuse in here in this thing. Make sure it comes with a fuse. Yeah, it comes with a fuse. What amp is it? It says it should say it on top.
What does that say?
Doesn't look like it says anything.
Same E on it.
E is for inoperable. We'll figure it out eventually. I'll probably look at the instructions.
All
right, so red on red, black on black. I don't know if your car has to be on for this, but no, what are you doing? Red on red?
Yeah, it's red.
I thought you were gonna.
No, that's the.
Oh,
that's
it
the
scared
ground.
me. Oh yeah, they work. Oh, look at that. Nice, nice.
That's only one though.
Guys, it's really hard one-handed. Oh, there it goes.
Does it work?
Yeah, first try. All right, so they work. Success. All right, so we're gonna try the first part first. Oh, that was fast. All right, so I've determined we have to take these little rubber, I don't know what you want to call them, grommets off, so we could take off this little radiator shroud type deal. And then hopefully we can have some better idea on how we can get to this grill, which I'm pretty sure we could have just snaked it through, to be honest with you.
You want to?
Maybe we could before I do this, let's see if we could snake it. All right, so we came to the determination. We're probably just gonna end up taking out these screws down here, put it in this lower grill, and hope that we can snake the rest of the LED strips up top to this grill. So that's what we're hoping for. Guys, cross your fingers. There's only a couple screws down here, so hopefully it's as easy as taking those screws out. You can do it.
Thank you.
All right, let's see if it comes off. Oh, I see some more screws in there.
Oh shit.
We would have to take out the whole bottom.
No way.
All right, but I think this is like enough to see if we could snake up.
Yeah.
Can you stick your hand through there?
Somewhat. I don't want to break it.
You won't break it. Oh, there comes that out. That's fine. That's the bracket. All right, so after some fendangling, we have figured out that this sucks. There's no way to take off like just everything or just partial stuff just to get under there. It's like we would take out a lot and don't really want to do that. So we're probably just gonna end up snaking it through and stick it up with a screwdriver and hope for the best. All right guys, so we finally got it installed. I know I really didn't show too much of the process, but it was just kind of just snaking it through here down to this bottom grill and across. But honestly, it looks pretty dope. I'll probably take some more pictures later. I don't have enough space because the door's right here, but it looks pretty dope. So what do you think your verdict is?
I love it.
I mean, this is for his. I think I might do it for mine. Maybe for mine, I can do the underglow for in the engine bay, but looks dope. But anyways, we're just trying to do a wrap job, so we're just gonna clean up the car real quick and wish me luck. All right, so now we're just gonna wash up his car so we can get to wrapping. All right, you can head out. Alright, car's all washed up. I got these, I don't know what they're called, but it's like the special little tape so we can gauge how we're gonna do these pinstripes. And I will show you when I'm done with that. Alright, so we got the first stripe, pinstripe down, or with this knifeless tape, so this way we could just peel that right off and get a nice perfect straight line. And just 3 more lines to go. This one's kind of just trying to gauge how thick we want these stripes. All right, so we just got those pinstripes looking nice and straight. Look at that, guys. I did that all with my eyeballs. All right, so we just laid down the carbon fiber wrap, and yeah, we're just gonna see if we can squeegee it out. I just remembered we forgot something, but probably just tackle that in a little bit. Forgot to put the pinstripes by the hood. Yeah, we'll figure that out later. But so far, it's coming out. It's coming out, guys. Have some faith. And there we have it, guys. Honestly, it came out way better than I thought it was. I know I didn't really show the process because honestly, when I started putting this in, I was like, nah, there's no way I can successfully record, even if my boy over here is helping me record, but it actually came out pretty nice. Don't mind the smudges. Those are his dirty fingerprints, not mine. All right, guys, take a look. Not too bad, not too bad. Do you know what time it is, guys? It's time for some B-roll. B-roll, rolling the bees.